Even before the XRP was launched, the founders knew what they were creating and where it will stand in the future. XRP is a unique cryptocurrency. Despite the looming lawsuit over its head, Ripple is continuously making the progress. Its continuous partnerships with the major banks around the globe, its connection with the CBDCs and IMF is what makes us believe it even more that this currency will replace the financial system of this world. Like you already know, Ripple was always designed to replace SWIFT, and now a major bank, Goldman Sachs, has also confirmed this, and they said that this unique cryptocurrency is going to change the world. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where you'll get your daily dose of XRP. If you like the content, do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. As you know that we have announced a giveaway of your favorite XRP coin, and we talked about announcing the winner tomorrow. There is a little delay in this because we have to make some confirmations. So just hang on a little more, we will have our winner soon. In today's video, you will know about the massive statement about Ripple by Goldman Sachs, which states that Ripple can change the world, and what it has said about Ripple replacing SWIFT. You will know about the potential of Ripple, how it is contributing in making the world better, and what are its future plans. Without any further wait, let's get started. So Goldman Sachs is the largest investment company, and when they make a statement about something, it really means a lot. Just recently through a patent, they said they are going to use XRP for transaction validation, and this is a massive statement. XRP has really gotten into their favorites list. Andrew Lokenauth, who is a former Goldman Sachs expert who also has held various positions at AIG Bank and other major financial institutions, says that Ripple has the potential to change the world financially. The XRP army knows it from the beginning, and that is why they trust this unique crypto asset. Right now, Ripple is in a legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. This lawsuit is just dragging on and has become a hurdle in Ripple and XRP's progress. Ripple has to go public, but only if the lawsuit is over. Andrew Lokenauth says that once the Ripple Foundation is able to address its issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP might become quite valuable. The expert said, Ripple will redefine online payments, and I believe Ripple will likely go public once the SEC lawsuit is resolved. The main advantages of using the Ripple protocol are speed and reduced risk. XRP is a replacement for SWIFT, which is expensive and slow. The uniqueness of this cryptocurrency is what is making it stand out among all other cryptocurrencies or even fiat currencies. XRP is faster, and it has low transaction fees. We knew it from the beginning that Ripple is going to replace the traditional SWIFT network, a conventional network that takes days for the currency to transfer from one country to another. Andrew Lokenauth said, fiat currency takes about 3 to 5 days to transfer from one country to another via SWIFT and requires high transfer fees. Ripple's XRP takes about 5 seconds to transfer from one country to another. The Ripple protocol can thus provide much faster and cheaper infrastructure for interbank payments, he says. It will provide financial institutions and businesses with a fast and efficient mechanism to move money around the world. The RippleNet platform uses blockchain technology to send money across borders for banks and other financial institutions. He further said the following, Ripple is backed by Japanese financial service firm SBI Holdings, Spanish bank Santander, but also by leading venture capital firms including Andreessen Horowitz, Lightspeed, and Peter Thiel's Founders Fund. We have talked in detail about the Japanese partnership with Ripple. Ripple and XRP's step in Asia will lead it to the top. Only even the announcement of the partnership led XRP's higher value. The expert considers the future. He imagines a future in which the SWIFT banking system meets its match in the world of blockchains. Ripple occupies a unique position in this regard, as it sits halfway between the cryptocurrency and fiat worlds. It is viewed as a bridge, with the primary goal of utilizing the network's power to generate as many transactions as possible. Ripple's unique selling point is cross-border payments in countries where it takes days to transfer a payment as low as $2,000. Using RippleNet, these same payments can be made in seconds. Lokenauth therefore believes that the future of banking is headed in the same direction as Ripple has set its standards. It is preparing for a new era of the world of banking and financial institutions. Ripple has already taken a step in making the cryptocurrency better. Ripple, CoinShares, and Consensus have joined the Crypto Climate Accord, an incentive designed to make the cryptocurrency industries run entirely on renewable energy by 2025. The accord is aiming to achieve net zero emissions for the entire industry, including eliminating all historical emissions by 2030. Additionally, the Crypto Climate Accord will seek to develop an open-source accounting standard for measuring emissions for players in the industry to adopt. XRP is the most sustainable, stable, faster, and cheaper cryptocurrency. and this has made the payment company Ripple behind this unique cryptocurrency to stand out. It has the potential to change the world. We knew this from the start, and now it has been confirmed by Goldman Sachs. The only hindrance is the lawsuit. Once this lawsuit is over, Ripple will also go public. Speaking at Consensus 2021 on Wednesday, Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse said the company first looked into options for how it could become public in early 2020. However, the SEC's allegations that it had conducted an unregistered securities offering later this year paused the plans. Now, they are just waiting for the lawsuit to be over. The recent proceedings of the case prove that the lawsuit is about to be settled. The SEC is in a really bad position, and it won't be long since it will fall completely into a grave, and Ripple will be the victorious one. Once the lawsuit is over, XRP will be relisted on the major crypto exchanges all over the world. Ripple will go public after that. All the progress of Ripple that has been halted by the US Securities and Exchange Commission will be back on its tracks. Ripple has the power to change the world. It has taken its first step by making the cryptocurrency sustainable. It is the most relevant cryptocurrency to be used as a bridge asset for the CBDCs. It won't take long when XRP will be used by everyone in this world. This lawsuit is also hindering the value of XRP. Ripple is ready for a big move to the upside as it inches closer toward a critical resistance level. XRP price appears to be headed for a 26% climb. But the hopes of a Ripple rally could be hampered by the multiple resistance that stand in the way of the bullish target. The cross-border remittance token could find substantial support should the optimistic outlook be ruined. According to the FX Street, the governing technical pattern indicates that XRP price could either target a 26% upswing or a 26% descent from the current levels. However, the bulls are prevailing as the Ripple is nearing the topside trend line of the triangle. Adding credence to the bullish forecast is the ARMS Index, or TRIN, which gauges the overall sentiment of the market. The indicator suggests that there are more buyers in the market than sellers. Should XRP price slice above the upper trend line of the chart pattern, this could open up the possibility of Ripple reaching its optimistic target of a 26% climb to $1.40. However, before the altcoin could be able to set foot on this level, there are multiple obstacles that the bulls should be aware of. The first hurdle for XRP price is at $1.17, where the 104-hour, 204-hour simple moving averages, or SMAs, coincide. The following resistance will emerge at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $1.21. Another obstacle may emerge at $1.30, the August 23rd high. Only if XRP price overcomes all the aforementioned resistance levels would Ripple ascend 26% to $1.40. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.10 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.1 billion USD. XRP is down 2.58% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $51 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46.5 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Is this claim by Goldman Sachs true? Do you think XRP has the potential to change the world? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.